This is funny sounding Japanese. Today's word is otenba. Otenba. It means tomboy. Usage of today's word is 私の娘はおてんばだ。私の娘はおてんばだ。It means my daughter is a tomboy. Thank you for watching.